What is going on inside Amazon warehouse? There are 110 Amazon fulfillment centers in the United States and 185 centers around the world, some as large as 28 football fields with the ability to hold millions of products. Amazon warehouses are also called fulfillment centers, also termed as FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon. FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, is the process of storing, packing, and shipping orders. First, the products enter the warehouse. Some come from other Amazon facilities, while others come directly from small businesses that are part of the FBA program. Small vendors who are part of this program have all the shipping taken care of for them, and with a company as large as Amazon on this side, it helps them reach more buyers. Items are stored in yellow stacking bins at random and are tracked by computers. This system makes it easier for workers to pack a variety of items. Robots bring these bins to stowing stations where workers will find the appropriate space. As the orders roll in, employees find the items in the bins that are brought by robots. When the employee finds the correct item, it goes in something called a tote. After items are scanned for accuracy, they go into a box that goes through a machine that pastes on shipping labels. Then, they are ready to slide into a trailer that will bring them right to you. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share this video. Hit that bell icon and subscribe button so you won't miss a new video.